Alright, update. It is Sunday afternoon. Grounds parking still is closed right now unless you have the crazy big tires like Draco. And it's beautiful, but the grass is soggy. So, we called a friend who is out at Watertown right now, and they apparently have parking and camping. So we are headed back to try to see if we can make our way there and at least get a lot closer so we can go to our workshops. So we have tomorrow and Tuesday. Fingers crossed. Hopefully this works out because there's no rental cars apparently in all of Green Bay. And if we flew to Milwaukee, it was like $400 a day for a rental car, and all of the hotels down there are like $400 a day in Oshkosh. So yeah, this is the best option we can come up with right now. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I don't know if we're on plan D, E, or F or what, but now we have checked out of the hotel. They're going to be updating the grass parking situation at 1 o'clock. We're going to go to the FBO and sit there. If they've opened the grass parking, we're going to fly straight to Oshkosh. If they have not, then our plan now is going to go to Fond du Lac, because I've called and talked to FBO there, and they do have grass parking and camping available, and the shuttle, so we should be able to get to our class. So there we go. We'll see. Fingers crossed. Okay, so we're at Green Bay, and I think we have another plan. We're going to stick around and wait. They still do not have the grass parking open, but if they don't open it up, I think we're just going to Uber it down there and park at Camp Scholler with our tent gear. So still hoping to fly down and get there ourselves with the plane, but at least we have another plan, and they are opening the tent camping. So another update to come later. But what do you do when you're sitting here and you're bored and you have nothing to do? You get on your laptop and bring up Photoshop and you make a t-shirt. So I'm going to put a link below for this new t-shirt that I just made while I'm sitting here. It says I Survived Sloshkosh 2019. Go check it out.